Um, you should probably get down.
Well, if you're operating anyway.
How are you gonna get down? Here, Lee. You're gonna fall. Get down. Can't, can you? What do you want? Huh? What do you want? Nothing? Okay. Don't want anything? Good. No, it's mine. These are mine. Can't just take things. Please? Okay.
Three things can happen. She gets better, she stays the same, or she dies.
See ya. You're welcome. You say thank you? You say thank you?
Once, I don't know.
And it was probably because she burped. Okay, bye.
You think that's the right thing?